Work followed a simple pattern. You learned a skill, you found a job, and you did the same thing for decades. Change was slow, predictable, but artificial intelligence is breaking that pattern. Not loudly, not dramatically. It's arriving quietly inside. Software updates, automated systems, and decisions made in milliseconds. Many people won't notice it until one day their job no longer exists. And when that moment comes, it feels sudden. AI does not begin by replacing entire professions. It targets predictable work. Anything based on repetition, rules, or patterns becomes vulnerable. Data entry, basic customer support, scheduling, transcription, simple design. Not because companies are cruel, but because efficiency is rewarded. And AI doesn't get tired. It doesn't ask for raises. It doesn't make emotional mistakes. From a business perspective, the decision is obvious. This is why layoffs feel confusing. A company announces record profits, then cuts thousands of jobs. The work still exists. It's just being done by fewer people, assisted by machines. AI rarely replaces everything overnight. It slowly reduces the number of humans needed. 10 become 5. 5 become 2. To become 1. The survivor isn't always the smartest. It's the one who adapted first. This technological shift is different. Machines once replaced physical labor. AI replaces thinking. It analyzes millions of examples, learns from mistakes, and improves continuously. No breaks, no limits. But AI has a weakness. It does not understand meaning. It does not feel responsibility. It does not care about consequences. And that limitation is where new jobs are born. When computers arrived, jobs didn't vanish forever. They transformed. AI is doing the same, just faster. New roles are already appearing. AI trainers, prompt engineers, AI ethicists, human AI managers, creators who use AI as leverage. These people don't compete with AI, they collaborate with it. The future doesn't belong to those who resist technology. It belongs to those who control it. The real divide is not between employed and unemployed. It's between people who use AI as a tool and those who are replaced by it. AI allows one person to do the work of 10. That increases inequality, but also opportunity. The barrier is no longer location or education. It's adaptability. AI struggles with human complexity, trust, ethics, emotional judgment, original vision shaped by real experience. AI can suggest, humans decide. The most valuable roles in the future won't be purely technical. They'll be interpretive. People who connect ideas, explain complexity, and guide. Decisions will remain essential. AI is not a threat to fear, but a call for awareness. It isn't the end of work itself, but the end of unthinking work. The challenge isn't about technology changing your job, but about your willingness to adapt.